Okay, in this question here we have a straight line segment broken up into 5 equal size segments. And we have another point, a 7th point not on the line. Let's say G is out here somewhere. It could be anywhere. And we're saying that GB is equal to some multiple of GA plus some multiple of GF. And we're asking you to find out what those multiples are. So what we're going to do is create a arbitrary point G. We'll put it right there. And we're going to say that we know we've got to come up with the vectors GB, GA, and GF. So we're going to try to come up with GB in terms of GA, because we have GB and we have GA. So we can see that GB is equal to GA plus AB. GB equals GA plus AB. Now we're going to take another path to GB, but we're going to use GF this time. So GB is going to equal GF plus FB. And I think that's a fair comment there. And so if you look back at what it is that we're trying to prove, the statement we're trying to prove involves GB, GA, and GF. Well, we have GB all on the left, we have GA and GF, but unfortunately we have these ABs and these FBs here that seem to be ruining the party for us. But then we see we can eliminate AB by realizing if we could somehow multiply AB by 4 and make it 4 units long instead of 1, that it would be the opposite vector of FB. So what we're going to do is multiply this entire equation 1 by 4. Instead of GB equaling GA plus AB, we have 4GB equaling 4GA plus 4AB. And we can see that FB is the opposite of 4AB. And so when we leave equation 2 alone, we can still have GB equals GF plus FB. We can now add the two equations. Adding the left-hand side, 4GB plus 1GB gives us 5GB. Adding 4GA plus GF gives us 4GA plus GF. And adding 4AB plus FB gives us the 0 vector because they cancel out because they're opposites. And so we have 5GB equaling 4GA plus GF. Well, we simply have to divide the left-hand side by 5 because we were asked to come up with an expression involving GB, not 5GB. So multiplying both sides of this by 1/5 gives us GB equaling 4/5 GA, 4 times a fifth, plus 1/5 GF, 1 times a fifth. So to answer our original question, what do M and N equal? M equals 4/5 and N equals 1/5.